るだけ必要、この車はね。
あ、これがプレップね。
これ汚いからもう。
So we got 2 hours. Neil got 2 hours to track before the comp. 楽しみだな。おイエーイ。
I'm like, shit, I'm like, oh god. It's starting weird.
It's starting what?
It's starting weird. It's like taking forever to start like it did at the intersection. And I'm just like, oh my god, what if it does that soon?
Start off
The front fucking
tire.
Yeah, it was like, it was like
Alignment.
yeah, so I hope I don't have to do a fast entry, because then that's when I'll actually mess up. Just normal drive. Just normal driving. Yeah. I was like, alright, I need to go. Like GK Tech fan,
The clutch.
everything, bam!
Blew up.
Blew up.
Well, you're lucky. Oh, that fell off. Is that why?
All the blades are
Look,
gone.
look.
No, Neil, this fell off.
I know. Yeah.
It's okay. お疲れ様。
There is hot sauce somewhere.
Eddie, orange after team.
This is hilarious.
Whatever, it's fine now. You shut up.
And literally the needle's like 85 to like 100 within like 8 seconds. Fuck it. Yeah, it's okay. ECU will shut it off if necessary.
You can do it all by yourself. Let me see you do it. Hey!
Dude, on everything.
Just the aftermath of last night.
直しました。
直しました。
I had a spare one at work.
Yep. Now
Thank
we
you,
gotta
Max.